go to setting, yes, and then site availability, then oh, it's your old website.
Yeah.
Can you give me the mouse control?
Sure.
So this one is your old website. We need to go to your new website that I have done for you. Then setting, site availability, upgrade to publish, website. You must need to upgrade it with the business. And you can see you are getting 50% off for the circle member discount. I have made your website. I was made your website at first on my Squarespace account, and I am the circle member of Squarespace, and then I have transferred the website to your account. So the circle member things discount is still working for your website.
Okay.
So you are getting 20% off for the circle member. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so now you just need to fill up your information. I think it have already there.
No, that's old. That's old. I have to rechange that. Sorry.
Okay, that's great, no problem. So now stop, share your screen, and then put your card information, and then just click save and
Okay.
continue.
1 second.
Your website that I have done for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, it's nice. I'll probably make a few minor changes, but it's good.
Yes. And if
Good.
there are any problem, then please let me know. I can assist you for any kind of changes or everything, and you will get from me like as a long time support from me for 7 days, 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months later. If you come back with any kind of issue, then I can assist you, and the good news is there will be no cost. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
And if you want to add any other pages or like is any other functionality with your website, then obviously there will be a small cost for that. So when you will complete the Squarespace plan, then just share your screen with me, then I can do the rest of the part. And if you have any other website, like as I can do Wix and Squarespace website for you, with e-commerce, booking, membership, blogging, any kind of website I can do for you.
Okay.
And I am working in this field since 2018 or 17.
Okay.
I've done about 1,000 plus Squarespace website.
Yeah, no, it's a good.
Okay, so let's give me mouse control, then I can do the rest of the part for you. Go to my site. Yes. Let's skip it. Go to setting. Okay. To your own website. Who is your domain provider?
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy. Okay, so you just need to log in your GoDaddy real quick. Let me disconnect your domain at first, okay?
Yep.
From the old site. Go to my site setting. Your GoDaddy is already logged here, right? Which domain is this one? This one?
No, not that one. Where is that one? I wonder if I have a different login for that one.
Yeah.
Hold on one. Yeah, let me see something. Log out first.
Yes.
I wonder if I have. No, it's here. Oh, this one is, oh, I have to look this one up. I know what. I think I remember. This one is a Wild West domain. That's why. Let's see if I can log in. I may have to. You know what? It's through my uncle. I'll have to get my login information. I forgot this one went through my uncle's computer company.
You can recite it.
Yeah, let me, I'll have to send an email. We may have to do this tomorrow, actually. Because I realize now I forgot that this is through, I don't have